This is for Year 11 methods. It comes out of Chapter 14, sketching tan curves, particularly with a vertical translation. So in question 4a, I know I have a dilation by 3, but it's positive. My period will be pi divided by m, which is 1, so period is pi. And I've been moved up root 3. And my total domain that I am drawing it across goes from minus pi to pi, so that's 2 pi. Since my period is pi, I'm going to have 2 cycles. I haven't had a sideways translation, so I should have asymptotes at 0 plus or minus pi on 2. Therefore, the distance between them will be pi. So I can draw my axes up. I can have x equals minus pi on 2. I can have x equals pi on 2. I can have pi and negative pi. I know it's been moved up root 3. So y of 0 will be 3 times the tan of 0 plus root 3, which will be 3 times nothing plus root 3. Therefore, instead of it going here, it's going to look like this. And that's going to be at root 3. Here I'm going to have a completion at pi and root 3. And here I'm going to have a completion of that period. And that will be minus pi and root 3. I need to find the x-intercept. I find the x-intercept by making y 0. So 0 equals 3 tan of x plus root 3. So minus root 3 on 3 is equal to the tan of x. Tan is negative, all stations to California. Tan is negative here and here. Since I have moved backwards, I'm looking for a negative angle, then I'm going to use my angle as being negative theta. So in the table for root 3 on 3, x equals pi on 6. So this should be negative pi on 6. So that's going to be negative pi on 6. And this one here, if that is pi on 6 from there to there, so it's going to be pi on 6 from there to there, so it should be pi minus pi on 6, or 5 pi on 6. And if I'm looking for my positive answers, my positive answer will be around here into the second quadrant, and that will be pi minus theta, which is pi minus pi on 6, or 5 pi on 6. I can get it from the graph, or I can get it from solving the equation. So there's my drawing from minus pi to pi, square brackets, so that's going to be pi and root 3. That's going to be minus pi and root 3, y-intercept of root 3 minus pi on 6 and 5 pi on 6.